Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will learn how to use Files app on iPhone. Files allows users to browse local files stored within apps as well as files stored on cloud storage services including iCloud, Box, Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive and many more. Users are able to save, open, and organize files, including placing files into structured folders and subfolders. So, to use the app, first we need to go to the Files app. As you can see in the screen, you can choose Browse. Yeah, you can choose any option. Then tap a random document. Suppose we choose this one. Yeah, then use markups. In the bottom of the screen you can find markups. Here it is. Use the markups to draw, add text or add a signature. You can also edit the file in other apps like Pages, Keynote or Numbers. The Files app allows users to browse local files and files stored on cloud storage service like iCloud, Box, Dropbox, Google Drive and OneDrive. And then lastly you tap Done to finish up your work. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.